For today's video, we have the official Pixel Fold case from Google. All right, so very typical Google packaging, Pixel Fold case, big old G on the bottom, an image of the case itself, and nothing else. Very, very simple. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, this box is very, very small too. Very minimal packaging here. Nicely wrapped. Look at this. Actually came. Ooh, what color is this? I thought I ordered the. I don't know what color is this. I thought I ordered the black one, but it is not black. It is gray. Let me see. So this is not a black one. It's a hazel. You do have this soft microfiber cloth there on the outer edge of it, and you do have adhesive strips on there. Hashtag Team Pixel device warranty. Looks absolutely, it feels good. Feels nice and rubbery on the outside. It does add for grip. It's not that slippery. This actually feels like the official iPhone silicone case there. But let's go ahead and place this bad boy on. Very, very thin right out the back. This thing is thin, super thin. Bam, look at that. Very, very thin case and absolutely looks fantastic. It adds almost no bulk to your Pixel Fold. Very slim profile, looks very good. Bam. The volume rocker and power button exposed, so it's going to be easily accessible. As you can see, no issues at accessing the volume rocker or fingerprint reader or the power button there. Boom, nice. The cutouts are nice and precise. Boom, on top you do have a mic and speaker. On the bottom you do have mics and speaker and your charging port there, so it's nice and exposed, very precise, no issues with that whatsoever. The hinge is uncovered, so you're not going to be, the hinge is not going to be protected. It does not have a rough edge here, so you do not feel a sharp edge whatsoever. You do have plenty of lip protection there around the cover display, and you do have a cutout there for the earpiece, so you are protected. If you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, you're not going to scratch the cover display, or if you're watching YouTube videos in laptop mode, you're not going to scratch that cover display. Bam, looks absolutely fantastic. That sticker came off in place. I didn't want to remove the stickers because I don't know if I want to keep this case, but it absolutely looks and feels fantastic. Now, you do have a tiny lip around the camera lens there, so it's barely protecting. So you are protected though. If you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, you're not going to scratch, and it does mitigate that wobble. It does not shake, which is good. And when you have the case unfolded, well, the phone unfolded here, the case does come to the edge of the inner display, which is good. There's no lip or anything right there. Feels nice. And it does lay flat on a flat surface, so it does not rock because it does not have the cover display, the hinge cover, so it does allow it to lay flat when unfolded. Now these are tempered glass screen protector friendly. There is plenty of room there. If you want to go ahead and install a third-party tempered glass screen protector, you most certainly can, and I hope it does. But it wirelessly charges through the case with ease, which I kind of knew that because of the thinness of this phone. It is of the case. I mean, this case looks absolutely fantastic. Now, I thought it might have been on the image in the website, it looks a little bit darker. It almost looks like an obsidian black, but it's more of a gray So this is their hazel. It is more of a gray tone. It looks good. I'm very satisfied with this. They're very thin though. I don't know how much is going to protect it if you drop it, but it is a nice feeling, soft and smooth to the touch case. If you have any questions regarding the official Google Pixel Fold case from Google themselves, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bam. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.